What up, everybody? Andrea's got a YouTube channel, finally. Yes, everybody, I finally made my YouTube channel. I've been asked many times throughout, I don't know how many years, to make a YouTube channel, and I finally did it. I don't know what came over me this morning, but I'm like, you know what, Andrea? Just do that shit. Just do it. Why are you holding yourself back? This might be the greatest thing I have ever done. Who knows? So here I am. And what better way to start off my channel, guys, with techniques and colors that make me so happy. Literally, the rainbow makes me so happy. So this is pretty much what I did today and what I will be teaching you how to achieve today. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. That'll definitely let me know that I'm doing something right and I'm getting good responses from it. And then also too, the reason behind the colors as well is because if you hit the notification button, you'll be notified with my next video, which is going to be focusing on one of these colors alone. We'll be showing you how to create a look with one color family. So next time is going to be orange, and I will do just nothing but orange on my eyes, and I will show you, how to do things like that. So that'll be my little rainbow series, if you will. So original, I know. And of course, I will be doing other things on here as well. This is going to be a makeup channel, so it is going to be, makeup looks, tips and tricks, pro tips and tricks, and I will be showing you a lot of that in this look too. And please be nice to me, okay? This is, I made a YouTube video many years ago, okay? She's evolved, honey. I mean, she's evolved, okay? And then also too, we're doing this video quarantine style. We are in my room, okay? Because I get the best lighting here, okay? So this is natural lighting, no filter. Yes, honey. So get into this mug right now. I will be showing you how I do this, so just stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Also to follow me on Instagram. It is Dr. Dre MUA. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and like the video. Bye! And we're back. Fresh face, primed eyelids, and let's get it started, honey. So we're gonna start with some translucent powder. This is the Laura Mercier. So we're just putting that down because we don't want to mess up the base. She's snatched. We don't want to fuck her up, guys. All right, so going in with these bomb colors, gonna grab Chrome Yellow by MAC on a blending brush. That is a Morphe brush. Can't say which one it is. Sorry, guys. Don't kill me. I'm new. I'm a newbie. So we're just going to get that right by the nose there, like the inner part of the eye. Just get that, stamp that in and then blend her out. And then I'm going to share a little pro tip with you. In a second, I end up grabbing liquid lipstick, which you'll see in a minute. That is Feel So Grand. So I'm going to put that on my eyes. I am. And it's going to make things so much easier, so much more saturated. So what I did is I grabbed that on a crown brush, the first one, and now I'm blending it out with the MAC dual fiber brush. And the reason for this, like I mentioned, is just for color saturation and to ensure no patchiness, especially when we're using matte products like matte shadows, I mean, they can get a little patchy. So the liquid lipstick really helps with decreasing those chances. And yes, I know it's a lip product, so I know what I'm getting myself into. So disclaimer, if you're gonna do this technique, just know that obviously it's not meant to go there, so proceed at your own risk. But I'm telling you, it's gonna be so bomb. It's gonna be so bomb. It might stain your eyelids, but I'm totally cool with that. We're in quarantine, we ain't going nowhere. I was just gonna stunt on my daughter, my son, and my husband with these eyeshadow looks right in the living room. All right, so moving on, we're gonna do the other side, the same thing, stamping that liquid lipstick onto that outer corner, grabbing a dual fiber brush, or if you have a synthetic brush, go ahead and do that. Or better yet, if you actually have an eye product in that color, use it. So diffusing it diffusing that color there. And then we're going to grab more of that shadow and Impassioned, I believe. We're going to pack that on and we're going to blend it out with a natural fiber brush. Just getting that nice and diffused, guys. Really take your time with this. This took me a little while. So now I'm grabbing another blending brush and then grabbing the color Orange, also by MAC. Okay, so let's just assume that all the products are MAC products, like all the shadows are MAC. I will say when they're not, because for the most part they are all MAC eyeshadows. Sorry guys, but a good alternatives is like if you have the James Charles palette, anything that really has like super vibrant colors would work really nice. I just made this palette custom. So we dusted off the excess powder on the bottom. So now we're gonna go in with a lipstick in Bunny Beans and a synthetic flat brush, and we're gonna just put that on the bottom lash line. So same thing, guys, using the lipstick because of the color to intensify the shadow that I'm gonna put right over top. So just doing that, guy, just getting that nice and saturated. And then I am going to go in with a MAC shadow in Vibrant Grape over top that, just to lock that in place right there. There she is. Super pretty. So grabbing that on the same brush, and then you'll see me change brushes in a minute because it wasn't giving it to me. But now going in with the chromographic pencil. This is a universal pencil, also by MAC, obviously. And going in with a bullet brush. I believe that is a Morphe brush, if not mistaken. So just blending that out. And then we're going to set her with Electric Eel shadow on the same brush, also kind of stamping it on and then lightly diffusing. We're stamping and diffusing. There you go. And then there's that other brush. So I grabbed more of that Vibrant Grape and then just really pack that guy on. Yo, that brush though in particular is an e.l.f. brush. $1, no lie. And it's so bomb for stuff like that. So this is another little pro trick. This I learned from 10 Chains on Instagram. She's my trainer from MAC Cosmetics. So I am grabbing a bit of like the lightest concealer that you have, or even if you have like a NYX jumbo pencil or anything like that, anything super light to put down. So these two colors are going to be so popping on top of that. So those colors in particular, I believe, are Shock Factor and Sour Lemon. So grabbing the same brush that I put it on with, which is a super small blending brush, and getting that nice and packed in right over top of that base that we gave ourselves. So I'm just being a little extra there, and then, you know, just kind of saturating more with that Impassioned color. A little anal about that. It's like it felt like it needed more. Just getting that nice and blended there. Blending is key with this look because we want it to be nice and diffused. You see, I even went in with another shadow because it just wasn't doing it for me. There you go. So I did notice that the Electric Eel and the inner corner wasn't, you know, blending in too well. So I grabbed another MAC shadow in the color Kelly just to give it like a smoother transition. So just blending that out. And then you're going to see me grab more of that light base. So what I use in particular is the Conceal and Correct palette in pale yellow, I believe. And so I'm putting more of that over top of the eyeshadow just so it looks like something is shining from within, you know. So it's gonna still be a little green vibe, but it's just gonna be light, and then it's gonna blend into that, to those other two colors, if that makes any sense. So I am gonna grab a little bit of white shadow to set over top of that so we get a really nice intensity and some really nice gradients. So it almost makes it look neon-y, low-key. I don't know, it's just really, really dope. Like her technique, 10 Chains, like it's just so bomb because it really, really intensifies that inner corner, and that's totally my vibe. So just grabbed a bigger brush there to diffuse. So just kind of blending that out, and then she'll be back in a sec with some lashes on the other side done. Oh my god. Okay, so these are custom lashes. I glued two on top of each other. They're both Ardell. I just don't know which ones. So there we're gonna grab some MAC False Lash Maximizer. It's just a lash primer to obviously make my lashes look a little thicker, but also look at colored mascara. Which one will she go with? She's gonna go with blue. Yay. Okay, so blue mascara on the bottom. So the primer kind of, you know, gave me a nice base, so the blue really pops. So pretty. I mean, she's cute, but she was missing something. She was missing something. Savvy Dots. Yo, who follows Savviness on Instagram? Yo, she is so dope. I swear, it's like every time I do these little dots, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm doing my Savvy Dots. She's so dope. So dope. You know, she was a former MAC girl. She's with Morphe now. She's killing the game, man. She is just so super talented. And then, I mean, I get the inspiration from the dots from her. I get the inspiration from my shadow application from my trainer 10 chains. Also another trainer of mine, Alicia Martinez. Like, they are just so dope. So if you don't already follow them, you most definitely have to. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna fall in love. They are absolutely amazing. So this is just gonna add a little flair, you know, a little extraness. I don't have gems or anything like that, so this is my bootleg style gems. So get you some white eyeliner. Looks like you got some gems on you, girl. So she's popping. So there she is, guys. She is all done. She's feeling bomb. Okay, now it's time to stun on everybody in the living room. Stay safe, guys. Bye.